out. Barricades are everywhere. I tripped over some mess twice.
Come on, Sue. You could play along. Didn't you watch Attack on Titan?
No. So what is it?
Wow, easy. This anime is a masterpiece.
Okay, tell me the plot. And why did you call me a Titan?
Come, I'll tell you everything. No spoilers. And you should see the Titans for yourself.
Hi guys! Now I can say that I've learned everything about Titans.
I did my best and played all roles myself. Shiver me chatters. What is he doing here?
Here is our future Colossal Titan. Guys, you might remember we made this Lego minion last year.
Yup, he helped me when I was a terrible galactic villain.
Let's make some adjustments. Here we go! The wooden Lego human is ready to transform into a Titan.
Are we covering him in foil so that he won't see that terrific transformation? I hope we can make it.
I cover it with foil to make a clay cast.
You're not so big, huh? Let's call you Foil Titan for a while. Cool, right?
And now let's make a clay hat. Guys, it looks weird now. But the Colossal Titan isn't funny at all.
You can see his bones and muscles, and he emits a huge amount of steam.
Yeah, he is very intimidating, but he also looks cool.
You can praise him, Susan, but I'm ready to fight.
Sam, you need to blow off some steam. Why don't you tell us when the Titans first appeared?
Either in 2009 or around 2,000 years ago. Which answer do you like?
You confused our viewers. Tell us more about both of the dates.
So, I learned that in 2009, first manga chapters were released. For newbies, it's kinda a comic book. And the first Titan appeared 1,800 years before the main events of the plot. It wasn't the Colossal Titan, though, but he is one of the main 9 Titans in the series.
Arr, he's so fierce!
And this is one of the scariest Titans. I'd better... Grrr! Easy, buddy. Okay.
If he doesn't look scary enough to you, stay tuned.
Sue, what are you doing right now?
We're starting to shape tendons on the Titan's face.
Here you go. Just don't eat me. No, where was it?
Thanks, Sammy.
Oh, right.
Don't worry, Sammy. He is in a sleep mode now. Kinda.
I'm relieved, because we don't have 50-meter-high walls to protect us from the Titan's invasion.
Here is his nose. And a long eyebrow. Couple more touches. Like the Titan is smiling.
Even so, it's 100% evil grin. Would he eat a gummy bear? Num num num.
I wouldn't be so sure, Sam. Better not tempt his appetite.
Sue, I don't get it. What is this for?
It's the back of his head.
We're gonna awaken ancient power. Anything can happen. Do you agree?
So much drama. You're a great actor, Sammy.
And a skilled crafter, too. What shall I do?
Get ready for some baking. The head is finished and now we'll
send it to the oven for 30 minutes at 130 degrees Celsius.
Guys, while the head is being baked, we'll move to other parts.
Sue, I want to be a part of the military corps.
I see you've already got a workout. Guys, check out this 8-pack.
And now I'm just an ordinary slime again. Oh.
Guys, let's cheer our Sammy up. Show him your love by giving him a thumbs up. And we'll keep making the muscles. Don't rush here. A steady hand is very important at this stage.
Oh, I'm blushing. Thank you, guys. And here is my slimy heart for you.
The Colossal Titan is very buff. We shaped his chest muscles, and now let's add more structure.
Wow, so cool! Guys, your love helps us to proceed!
Awesome! Just imagine how this would look at a 60-meter height.
Wow, it's a huge height! Roaring for the Titan!
Guys, now we'll shape the back of the Titan.
Oh, even his back looks terrifying! What to do? Holy cannoli, I need to hide somewhere!
Sammy, you're such a scaredy cat. Now let's bake the body in the oven for 30 minutes at 130 degrees Celsius. Our next stage is... Oh, wow! Where did this come from?
Well, I thought we could use something as a platform for our craft.
Great idea! Let's cover it with putty then. Let's take about this amount and evenly spread it all over the base. Try to work neat, guys. This way.
Speed up, or the Titan
Don't worry, Sammy. I'm almost done here. Next, we need a wall.
Hold that thought. Will this one do?
Oh, wow. Sammy, this wall is just perfect.
Then we can put putty all over it.
That's right. Here we go. Gentle touches.
Oh, and Sue? Why don't you speed up a bit?
If you say so, Grandmaster. Well, is this better?
Much better. And check out what I've made.
Let me see. This house is missing something.
You can add to it whatever you want. In the meantime, I'll deal with the wall. Oh, what a color! This is the job for a real painter, huh? Na-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Now this house is ready to become bright.
That's easy. You can handle it.
Why don't we make this roof brick red? Oh, it's gonna be great!
We definitely need to add some greenery to our platform!
I love the way you're thinking, Sammy. Have you already painted it?
Well, of course!
Then we can build the village.
With only one house, Sue.
Actually, I have plenty of them, even these cute little ones.
Wow! Now you're talking!
Here we go. Check this out, guys.
No! Check this out! Woohoo! Whoa!
You've mastered a new magic trick, Sammy? Cool! Guys, give us a thumbs up and stay tuned. Not much is left. Okay, it's time to finish creating our Titan. This front piece goes here. Stand still, little buddy. And this is his muscular back. Excellent!
Ouch! I can't see anything in this thing. Whoa!
Careful, Sammy. Here comes the head. Now it's time for the decor.
Whoa! He turned black from anger, Sue!
Sammy, relax. We're still in the middle of a transformation here. That black color is only the base for everything else. Now we'll add some brick red color with a dry brush. This way.
It looks kinda messy.
Well, it should be. It looks a lot more impressive when we create a mix of colors.
We should make him brighter. Make way for a real pro. Just let me grab my brush. Here we go.
Oh, now we'll finish this faster.
Shiver me cheddars. He looks so real.
You're right, Sammy. He turned out awesome.
Okay, guys. We need a couple of hours to let the paint set. Oh, no. It won't be that long for you. Magical video editing, remember? Just look at that.
This is what we've got, guys. But there is no Titan without bright red accents, right?
Oh, it's my cue. Good day, everyone. Today is a great day to make a Titan. And we're having an expert in this field, Miss Susie.
Excuse me. No comments. I'm not done yet.
Oh, oopsie, hee hee.
We need to highlight his muscles with a mix of glossy acrylic polish and red paint.
Wow, he looks even better than I imagined!
We're almost finished, and I guarantee you'll have a jaw-dropping moment.
Let's proceed with the interview then. Mr. Titan, what does she refer to?
We need to make his face look really Titanish. Let's see. I think I have one more idea. Let me just take this thingy and show you one little trick. Yep, perfect. Now watch closely. This way, and ta-da! Well, what do you say now, Sammy?
That was jaw-dropping! Am I right, buddy? mode.
Oh, come on! I want to see what happens next!
Spoilers are not allowed, Sue.
Guys, did you like our craft today? If yes, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends.
See y'all.